Welcome to the final steps of our 30-day challenge, which is collecting data. We started this entire challenge with you taking screenshot of your dashboard on Google, and I want you to do the same again today so we can get the ending results, and then I'm going to have you send them to me in a document. So make sure you're on Google, look up in the upper right-hand corner, find your Google My Business app by clicking on the waffle and click on the My Business app, which will bring you to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you're just going to scroll down until you find, and it'll be in a different place all the time, that they seem to move it around. You're going to look for your performance box. Once you find it, I just need you to take your final 3 screenshots by clicking through. We're going to do views and then searches and then activities. So for time's sake, I'm just going to quickly go through and screenshot these, but just grab that first image, then click where it says searches and grab the second image. And I'll show you in just a moment what we're going to do with these. And then lastly, make sure you grab your click on activity and grab your third image. Now, once you've done this, those should be wherever your screenshots land. Mine land on my desktop, so I have them over here on the left-hand side. And what I'm going to do now is open up the Canva template. So you have received a request to do this, and in that request email, it also has a template that's a free template inside of Canva to make this really easy for you. So click on the template that's in the email. It will open up, ask if you want to use this template, click on it again, and it'll open up into your Canva account. Next thing I need you to do once it opens up is where it says your name, click inside the box and highlight where it says your name and just type in your name. Again, I'm going to keep this information for myself. I'm not going to be sharing your results with anyone else, but this way I know where it came from. All right, that's just for my information. All right, next. That way I can help you with your SEO too. All right, so next, to save time, I've already uploaded the first 3 months or first 3 screenshots from the beginning of the 30-day challenge. Now I'm going to show you how you can upload your screenshots into Canva by doing one of 2 things. Where it says upload media, you can either click on uploads. When it opens up, then it'll give you an option of where you want to get it from. You'll bring it from your computer. But for the ease of it, I love to do the drag and drop. So I'm going to take that last screenshot that I just did and drag it from my desktop and drop it to where it says upload media and give it a moment. And it should be loading any second. There it is. It's coming in. All right. So I did them in the order that I took the screenshot. So this is the first, second, and third screenshot from the beginning of the challenge. So I'm just going to drag. So hold and drag and drop that one into the first box on the far left. I'm going to grab my second one and drag and drop it into the second box, and then my third one. So this right here are my beginning numbers. Now what I'd like you to do is grab the second set that you just took screenshots of in the same order so they match up. So first it's views, and then it's searches, and then activity. And once you've done that, I'll just click this open so you can see it. You'll have your full screen set of screenshots. You'll be able to see what your performance was at the beginning and how it is now. Again, you can look to see direct and discovery. How are you found? And then how did you do? Did you increase website views, visits, calls, and photos and directions? So that's what I want you to do. Once you have done this, the way that you're going to save it is just click on download on the upper right-hand corner. Leave it as a PNG as it's suggested, click download. And since you've already named it, the file will be named on your computer so that when you receive my request for you to upload it into a survey, it'll be really easy to find. That's what I needed from you today. I'm very excited to gather all the results. And when I get the numbers in, I'll be reaching out for one more get together, and I'm just going to do a reveal party. I'd love to have you come and see how the results came out and then get next steps of what you can do to continue to stay on the top of search. Thank you so much for participating, and I can't wait to see your performance results.